This first example for using Google Sheets to graph data will come from question 2 on homework set 1.5. I'm going to use this in two separate videos. The first one we're going to look at how to create a pie chart. I've gone ahead and saved us some time. I've typed in the information. So we have the majors listed: business, English, and I believe liberal arts was the LIB. I've already put in the frequency and I've computed the relative frequency. So to create a pie chart of this information, I'm going to copy, or not copy, but highlight the data that I wish to include in the pie chart. So in this case, I'm going to do a frequency pie chart. So I'm going to highlight major and frequency. And you can either click on this little icon for insert chart, or you can go to insert up here at the top and click on that and insert a chart. And there we go. So fortunately, this already went ahead and immediately defaulted to a pie chart. Here under setup, you can see the suggested charts. You can also choose from other charts down through the graph here as to which ones you may want to use. So that's it. You can rename this if you want to. We could say, let's see, what was the question about? It was Intro to Computer Science majors. And this is our frequency data. But again, like I said, the relative frequency and the frequency graphs will be identical. You can actually look at the percentages there on the pie chart and see business is 36%. That corresponds to our relative frequency. English is 48%, again corresponding to the relative frequency. And then liberal arts 16%, again corresponding to the relative frequency. Now I do encourage you to play around with some of the chart styles here. You can do different things, 3 dimensions if you wanted to. That's, just something visually might be nice to look at. You can talk about the pie slices. You can change the color of individual pie slices. If you want to kind of explode the pie chart, let's move the business. It says distance from center. I moved it 25%, so we've blown that one up. If you wanted to highlight a particular set of data, I'm just showing you these. I want you all to play with them as much as you want to and get a feel for what you can do with these particular graphs and charts. You can change the names of your chart axes and titles. Same thing here with the legend. You can position the legend, which is right here in the bottom, that shows what your different colors represent. So there's just a lot you can play with on that. This just gives you a quick rundown on how to create the pie chart and using the first set of data. I'm going to do real quick. Let me delete this chart. Hey, it can't be deleted. Let's try that again. There we go. Now, if I wanted to do the same thing using the relative frequency, I would simply highlight major and then hold down the control key and then highlight the relative frequency column and just do the same process all over again. Go to chart, and there you go. It's the same graph. So play with this if you guys want to, but this is how you create a pie chart using Google Sheets.